Realme's GT 8 Pro has officially arrived, and it might just redefine your expectations of what a smartphone can deliver. From the moment you hold it in your hand, it's clear that this is a device built with both performance and style in mind. The titanium frame gives it a solid premium feel while remaining surprisingly lightweight, and the curved-back design fits naturally in your palm, making long sessions comfortable whether you are gaming, scrolling, or watching videos. Every detail, from the color options to the overall build, has been carefully thought out to make a statement without being overly flashy. The display on the GT 8 Pro is absolutely breathtaking, with a massive 1.47-inch AMOLED screen. Every image, video, and animation comes alive with vibrant colors and deep contrast that really makes visuals pop. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures that scrolling through apps, gaming, and watching high frame rate videos feels unbelievably smooth. HDR10+ support elevates every video you watch, making even streaming content look cinematic. And with brightness levels that hold up under strong sunlight, you'll never have to struggle to see what's on screen when you're outdoors, making this phone perfect for daily use as well as media consumption. When it comes to performance, the GT 8 Pro is a powerhouse. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, which effortlessly handles high-end gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications without breaking a sweat. Apps open instantly, transitions are smooth, and even the most intensive games run flawlessly with no stuttering. Advanced thermal management ensures the device stays cool even during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads, so you never have to worry about performance dropping. Combined with a long-lasting battery that keeps you going all day, and super fast charging that refuels the device in minutes, this phone is built for a modern lifestyle that demands speed and reliability. The camera system is equally impressive, featuring a 108MP main sensor that captures astonishingly detailed and vibrant photos. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for expansive landscapes or group shots, while the macro lens allows you to focus on tiny details with incredible precision. Night mode ensures that even low-light shots are sharp and clear, eliminating the need for extra equipment to get professional-looking photos. Video recording is also top-tier, offering 4K at 60 frames per second, producing smooth cinematic clips that are perfect for sharing on social media or creating professional content. Realme has also packed a lot of value into the software experience. Realme UI offers a smooth, highly customizable interface with smart features like AI-assisted performance optimization, smart widgets, and enhanced gaming modes. Connectivity is seamless thanks to 5G support and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring that you stay connected wherever you are. Security features are robust, keeping your data safe, while AI integrations make everyday tasks more convenient. Whether it's organizing apps, managing notifications, or optimizing battery performance, everything about the GT 8 Pro is designed to impress. Its combination of premium materials, cutting-edge hardware, and intelligent software ensures that the phone not only performs exceptionally well, but also feels luxurious and refined. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a phone that can handle anything, this device delivers on all fronts. The speed, fluidity, and reliability of this phone make it a true flagship contender in today's competitive market. The Realme GT 8 Pro doesn't just excel in performance, it also makes a visual impact. Its design, build quality, and sleek aesthetics make it a device that feels as impressive as it performs. The titanium frame and curved back create a perfect balance between durability and comfort, while the striking color options make it stand out in a sea of smartphones. Every interaction feels smooth and responsive, whether you're browsing apps, watching videos, or playing graphically intensive games. For those who prioritize photography, this phone is a dream come true. Every lens has been carefully designed to ensure that photos and videos are crisp, clear, and true to life. The 108MP main sensor captures every detail with stunning clarity, while the ultra-wide and macro lenses allow for creative flexibility. Low-light photography has never been easier or more beautiful, with night mode capturing bright, detailed shots without the need for flash. Video recording is equally impressive, delivering professional quality footage with smooth stabilization and vivid colors. Battery life and charging are also highlights of this device. With a long-lasting battery that can comfortably handle a full day of heavy usage, you won't have to constantly search for a charger. And when you do need to power up, the super fast charging feature ensures you're back to full capacity in minutes. Wireless charging adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to charge without plugging in cables, making your daily routine more seamless and hassle-free. Realme has also thought about the software experience. Realme UI is smooth, intuitive, and highly customizable, offering features like AI-powered optimizations, smart widgets, and enhanced gaming modes. 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and robust security features ensure that your phone is fast, reliable, and safe at all times. Every feature has been designed to create a seamless and enjoyable experience, making this phone easy to use while providing advanced functionality for power users. This is a phone that appeals to anyone who wants more than just a device. They want a complete experience. From immersive visuals to lightning-fast performance, professional quality photography, and a battery that can keep up with a demanding lifestyle, the GT 8 Pro has it all. It's not just about specifications or raw power. It's about how the device feels, performs, and integrates into your life. Every detail has been meticulously designed to ensure that you are impressed at every touchpoint. The Realme GT 8 Pro stands out in a crowded smartphone market, combining speed, innovation, style, and reliability in a single package. Whether you're gaming, streaming, creating content, or simply navigating your day-to-day tasks, this phone performs flawlessly. Its sleek design, robust hardware, and intelligent software work together to create an experience that is both enjoyable and impressive. For anyone looking for a device that can truly handle everything, this phone is hard to beat. In conclusion, the Realme GT 8 Pro is not just another smartphone. It is a device that represents the pinnacle of what Realme can offer. It combines style, power, performance, and functionality in a way that few devices on the market can match. From the stunning display to the advanced camera system and powerful processor, every aspect of this phone feels premium, reliable, and incredibly satisfying to use. If you want a phone that delivers speed, elegance, and innovation all at once, the GT 8 Pro is a clear contender. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below which feature of the GT 8 Pro excites you the most. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, updates, and insights into the latest technology and devices hitting the market.